Just got some tomatoes and zucchini. Is that zucchini or?
Zucchini, yes.
Oh, okay. From a lady over there in the Xitou parking lot. You're going Ivy League today.
Cornell?
Yeah.
Someone forgot to bring his bag, this person. So now he has to really count on me because I'm the one with money.
I got the car keys though.
That's true, but I could get look, those are buses. You get on the bus and go.
Okay. So as usual, we got a late start. It's 2:55. And we're gonna try to do some trails that we haven't done before here. 2 more minutes till discount time. 3 o'clock we get in cheaper. Today I'd like to kind of head up that way because we've done the whole bottom section of this park.
There are lights in there. I think it's open.
Oh, okay. Gotta get your snacks for a hike. Ooh, they have Mountain Dew in the mountains. We just ran into some friends.
Yes.
That was Caden and Henry's mom.
Right?
Yeah, our former students.
Right.
And my her husband is a running buddy. I've run with him in races before, and with JC. So that was cool to run into her. But they're getting on a bus and leaving, and we're just starting.
Right. Okay.
That's an umbrella for your head. I guess it attaches to your hat. There's the red cabin. And another cabin.
Good.
Yeah, I better take advantage of it when you want to use the camera.
Right. That's our food. We have 40 eggs and 2 bags of sweet potatoes in there. And we also have Dorito and Lay's in the backpack.
Luckily, I decided to look at the map because this trail was unmarked.
No, I asked you to look at the map. Now you decided to look at the
I
map.
said, luckily, I looked at the map upon your recommendation.
No, you said earlier, you said, luckily I decided
Did
to
I?
look at the map. Yes, you said
Okay, we'll check the replay.
that. Okay.
We didn't bring our helmets. That's the birdwatching trail. You want to try it?
Yeah, I thought this is what you saw.
If it gets like that, we'll turn around.
They should be okay.
Yeah. Somebody is going to remove a layer. Looks like a sign there. I don't see a trail though. Here's the service road. But we are going to continue up with the Eagles playing in the background. Not the football team. This birdwatching trail is quite steep, and these rocks are slippery, at least right now. Whew. So we've almost gone a little bit more. We'll get a mile, and we're gonna take a break, get our tea eggs. So after about a mile, it's less of these types of steps and more like natural rocks. I don't know if that's a monkey or some type of bird. There's a bamboo forest. On this trail, we didn't see a single person other than ourselves. It is a Monday. I don't know if I mentioned that. And it's late in the afternoon. At first, we didn't know if that was cloud or mountain, but that's a mountain because we could see trees on the top there. See little trees? Well, they're probably big trees, but we're far away. We just saw some people. They warned us that it's a little bit late, but we informed them that we're not gonna go back the same way we came. We're taking a road down. Once we get to the end of this trail, there is a road, logging road. I like the places where you have to kind of duck under rocks. It's pretty cool. We'll go slow.
Low battery.
Yeah. Luckily, I took my power bank. That was a little bit of a gnarly section there, but we're on the flat now. Hello. That's a cool bridge. I didn't expect there to be like this stone structure. So this must be a hanging bridge. Suspension bridge. Yeah, wow. A little one.
The couple said, when we hit the bridge, we need to make a right.
Yeah.
It's too late.
Yeah, definitely. We're not going to go up to the observatory now. Here's the second suspension bridge. Starting to go down. About 100 meters to the logging road. That'll be easier to go down, I think. Those peaks there. That one and that one. Yeah, so you could hit the trail from this end as well. We just finished it. The bird watching trail. Here's the reminders of what not to do. So we're gonna go back down that road. Which way?
This way.
Probably down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Exit here.
giant tree is up that way.
Okay.
What?
Exit.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's too dark, you can't see that. Okay. Let's walk down. And now we see, we're back at civilization. We finally see,
Not yet.
we finally see other hikers walking. Smile. Sunset at Xitou. Kitty's offering snacks to the little girl. She's hungry. She said, "What?
She's tired.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah. Last year, my picture of the year was like that bridge up there. It was a cool picture. So we were going past the ginkgo plantation. Last year, yeah, if you go up there, that's the giant tree.
Oh,
Right?
giant tree, you can also go down this way too.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, the sign says this
That's
way.
right. And then turn right where we had come out at that other trail that we completed. And go up further. Right?
Right? I don't know.
Right.
I don't know what you just said.
She only cares about her 10,000 steps.
Monday, maybe I should collect 12,000 steps instead.
So this is the Professor Wong Pavilion, I believe.
Memorial, huh?
Yeah. Who was Professor Wong? Probably
Don't know.
NTU professor, because this is affiliated with NTU.
You need to use the bathroom?
Oh, no?
Okay.
Do you?
No.
Oh, so these are ginkgo trees.
Yes.
Oh. Ginkgo. Yeah, good for your brain.
Okay.
Here, do your gong fu again with your stick.
No, thank you.
你的功力很好。
No, air supply 的功力很好，唱现场的功力很好。
我跟你讲，这个真的哦，太美丽了。
Wow. Didn't expect that. Come around the corner.
That,
角
right?
度不对，要小心哦。
Just how life is. Come around the corner. You never know if there's something surprising waiting there for you.
Yeah.
Look, this is beautiful.
A 巴掌, a rice dumpling.
对，那最边边啊，很像蚂蚱。
Yeah. Wow.
It's time.
Yeah, those are real poinsettias.
好漂亮。
It's quite pretty at night with the lights on. We're gonna head to the Howard Resort, which is actually in the confines of the park. These are all peace lilies, all the way down. We have like 2 of them behind our house. Really strong smell of flowers here, lilies. Wow. Let's see if this is the smell that I'm smelling. There is a smell. I think it must be that. Oh, look at all those spiders. The golden orbs. This side is hot pot, and the other side is buffet.